Hello there! So today we're going to look at a nifty new tool called Microsoft PC Manager which they've brought out, which helps keep your PC clean and running at its peak, and it is free, so safeguard your PC in a quiet and reliable way. And it's compatible with Windows 10 and up, so Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you click the download button, it will start downloading a fairly small 3.8 megabyte file. Now, sometimes people are worried about using tools like this to clean up the PC because they come with lots of health warnings, like if you accidentally delete something, your PC will go kaput. But being from Microsoft and being the fact that they have created Windows 11, we should be fairly safe. So once you download it and click on it, it will say, do you want to allow this app to make changes on devices? Verified publishers Microsoft Corp. So yes, we will. And once we click that, it will boot up the installation process. So it is still in public beta at the moment. You have to tick to say that you accept the end user license agreement and the privacy agreement. And then if you click install, even though it is in beta, it is becoming quite popular. So it is something that we can trust at the moment, super fast virus removal. So it's trying to combine a lot of tools into one. So particularly if you don't have any virus tools at the moment, it's certainly one to make sure that you've got. So we leave it installing for a few minutes and then we shall get back to it. And there we have it. After a couple of minutes, no more, we've got the installation complete. PC Manager's in. We can click launch now. And if you click the launch now button, fairly simple installation. There's not many options to configure. Well, there isn't any options to configure. You just need to agree to the license agreement. So makes it easy peasy for us. And then it's going to launch. And hopefully we get to have a look at the new tools that it'll give us. It's coming up with a little window here. Starting. So the first time it starts, it probably will take a little longer than usual. And that's it. It's this little screen here. So it gives you an idea of how much memory is being used, amount of temporary files. There's a health check that you can click on, storage management, process management, and startup apps. So, and that's for the cleanup element of PC Manager. In terms of security, we've got Windows Update, so it's checking there for updates. And you can also scan your PC for threats. So if we have a quick look inside Health Check, it's looking for issues, so you don't have to click scan. It makes it really easy. It's all kind of one-click tools here in PC Manager. Scanning key system locations. So here, it shows us the items that we can clean up, potential issues. I love it. Potential issues. Reset default register browser. That's not an issue. Startup apps to disable, so it's showing apps which have high and medium impacts on us, on the boot up speed of the PC. If we look in storage management, you can do deep cleanup, manage large files. So a lot of the tools that were available in Windows that you traditionally ran from the command line are now available inside PC Manager, which makes it really easy to manage. You can maintain large files, so it looks for specifically large files on the computer. To see if you still need them or if there's better ways to deal with them. Put them on cloud storage, for example. Manage apps, so it'll show you which apps are used regularly and which aren't, which you can see in add remove programs, but it brings it all under one space. And storage sense, automatically clean up temporary files. So temporary files should be deleted, for example, when a program's closed or the machine is restarted, but it doesn't always do it. So PC Manager has an automatic tool to be able to clean up behind those dirty programs. Process management, so it'll show you what's currently running. And startup apps, which we've already seen there, and you can switch them on and off. So it's not deleting them, it's just removing them from the startup process. In terms of security, so we can see Windows Update, it's last been updated today at 3:24 AM. There are some available, so if you click through to that, it'll show you what's available there. And allowed threats will be previous threats that you've allowed through Windows Security, so it's taking you into Windows Security and you can have a look through your normal settings there to see threats you've previously allowed. And that's it. That's it for PC Manager. Really simple tool, but one that, due to its simplicity, makes it really easy to use, quick to install, quick to download. It's not clunky at all, only a 3.5 meg download. And it can really help boost your PC's performance. So if you've not got it installed yet, get it installed. Try the public beta. We've had no reports of issues with it so far. And let us know how you get on with it in the comments. So hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. And we shall see you shortly. Bye.